Okay, so I have an example here I'm going to start with. And I'm going to use just the black. I'm just going to start with black. I'm going to do this bee on a flower here. So I have acrylic paint and water. And I am making that kind of goopy, slurry, right? It's a wash. I'm not using thick paint. This is very important. I'm not using thick paint. I'm using thin paint. And the grayer, meaning the thinner the paint, the grayer, the lighter your work is going to appear, right? So maybe if you're doing flowers, you don't want it to be heavy black. Maybe you want it to be a softer color. So we'll just do a half of it at a time.
A question from Mondo Maker 6916. Specifically, what kind of acrylic gloss are you using?
You mean the medium, the gloss medium. It's an acrylic gloss medium. Medium is what is inside of all of the acrylic paints, the gesso. It's the plastic medium that makes it all not reconstitute when you get it wet like watercolor does. So it is, there's all different brands. I recommend not getting a student grade because it's not going to act the same. So you can see what I did there.
You wet your paper towel?
I wet my paper towel. It's damp, right? It's not wringing wet. It's just damp. And then I can remove the paint from the surface.